Imagine if you'd brought your camera, all three of us would be on the same team.
Yeah.
Put it on. So where you guys are going left?
Yeah, I'm going to that building. You don't want that building? You can come with us.
No, it's left. No, we can't.
Oh, Ben's coming this way again.
Oh, I just got in the back already.
Okay, I see Ben. Cooper's got, he's got Ben down. Ben's on the side, Sam. Fuck. You want to cover him?
That side.
Okay, I'll cover this side. I got Sean. Too far off for me to hit from here. They're moving up!
I think it's Chris.
Yeah, I think Chris just moved up to that door. Cooper! Fuck, who's shooting at me? They're moving up! They moved up, Sam, they moved up to the building up ahead. Sam, I'm gonna paint. Ow! Fuck, did that break?
Oh, on your helmet, can you think?
Yeah, it broke. Out! Yep.
I got two cocktails and moved up next to the building and I got killed.
You guys are all right? Yeah, it's 7 and 5, right?
6 and 6.
6 and 6?